Let's look at 1/5 plus 3/4. Let's add those two together. First thing we need to do is determine what is its lowest common multiple. What's the lowest number that both a 5 and a 4 go into? Again, we can kind of skip count that process if we want. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Skip count the 4s. 4, 6, nope, sorry, not 4, 6, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Oh, there's a 20. 20 is the first number that shows up in both columns. So that tells me that 20 is its lowest common multiple. And I'm going to use that fact to help determine how I'm going to convert 1/5 and 3/4. So 1/5, I know I need to create an equivalent fraction that's over a 20. Sorry, not equals there. So 5 times what makes a 20? A 4. And I'm going to use that 4 to create a clever version of 1. Because again, a fraction multiplied by 1 maintains its value. 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 twentieths and 1/5 are the same value. They're equivalent expressions. 3/4. Likewise, I need to get a common expression over 20. 4 times what? 5. I'm going to use that 5 now to create my clever version of 1. 4 times 5 equals 20. 3 times 5 equals 15. Now I have an expression, 1/5, which is 4 twentieths, plus my other one, 3/4, which is 15 twentieths, and that equals 19 twentieths. Let's subtract 1/6 from 3/4. Need a common denominator? 4 and 6 are not those common denominators. What's the lowest common multiple that both 4 and 6 go into? You might be able to observe, I think it's 12. 12 is correct. So let's convert both of those expressions into equivalent fractions over 12. So 3/4 is equivalent to what? So 4 times what makes it 12? 3, so I'm going to use that as my clever version of 1. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 is a 9. With a 1/6, that also produces something over a 12. 6 times what makes it 12? 2, so that becomes my clever version of 1. 1/6 times 1, or 1/6 times 2 over 2 produces 2 over 12. Now I can rewrite my original problem, 3/4, which was a 9/12. Subtracting a 2/12 produces 7 parts of 12. 7/12 doesn't reduce, so there's my final answer. 2 and 7/15 take away 1 and 4/5. Convert to improper fractions first. It gives me a 37/15 minus 9/5. Its lowest common multiple, what's the lowest number that both 15 and 5 can go into evenly? Looks like 15 is. So 37/15 is already in an equivalent expression that I need to use. So I need to convert 9/5. 9/5 into something that's over 15. Looks like I'm going to use 3 as my clever version of 1, or as a number to create my clever version of 1. 5 times 3 equals 15. 9 times 3, 27. So my new expression is 37/15 minus 27/15 equals 10/15. And 10/15 looks like it can reduce down. That's a 5 times a 2 over a 5 times a 3. 5's factor out. I'm left with 2/3. Yep, I'm all right with that.